Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to show how to roll back your Elementor version in WordPress. So for example, if you have the version 4.0 of the Elementor and you want to roll back it to 3.8 or 3.9, then you can do it easily by watching this video. So let's start, and make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel for latest programming and Elementor videos. So let's do it. First of all, you have to go to left menu and you have to scroll over Elementor, and then you have to select tools from there, and then you have to select the version control. And as you can see, it is saying rollback version for the free, and this is for the pro plugin. And if you go to the free Elementor plugin, then you can also see it is available there. So it means you can also roll back in the Elementor free plugin without Elementor pro plugin. So let's do it. For example, my version is 9.1 currently and I want to roll back it 3.8. So I just have to click on this button and then continue, and it is saying it is downloading files, updating, unpacking, and it is saying plugin updated successfully, and you just have to go back to plugin page. So as you can see, 3.8.0 is perfectly rolled back, and I can also update it now from there. So guys, by this way you can roll back your Elementor plugin versions easily. And if you find this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Finally, thanks for watching.